Direct replacement. This engine coolant reservoir matches the fit and function of the original part. Ideal solution. Engineered for a seamless installation. Durable construction. Manufactured from quality materials to withstand underhood heat and vibration. Trustworthy design, backed by 100 years of automotive aftermarket experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This replacement engine coolant reservoir is manufactured from quality materials to withstand the stresses of underhood heat and engine vibration. It is engineered and manufactured to match the fit and function of the original part. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Worth the price. My old reservoir in my '01 Escape had a crack. Bought this one a couple months ago. It was really easy to install and haven't had any issues with it. This was the first time I fixed something on my car myself rather than taking it to the shop. It's really easy to replace, honestly. I will be buying this same one again if ever needed to in the future, and I recommend it to '01 Escape owners as well.